Three, two, one, start. Interim protection given in the anticipatory bail applications by the High Court or Court of Sessions for a limited period, which is likely to expire from now up to 30th June 2021, shall stand extended till 30th of June 2021. However, any party aggrieved by the conduct of the accused on such interim protection may move the court over the matter for discontinuation for such interim protection. If any prejudice is caused to him her, in which event the court concerned shall be entitled to take independent view of the matter, that all the interim bails granted under section 439 CRPC by the High Court or Courts of Sessions limited by time frame specifying an expiry date from now up to 30th June 2021 shall stand extended till 30th June 2021, subject to the accused not abusing such library, or else it may be cancelled at the instance of the state or the complainant on application with adequate proof of the abuse of the liberty so granted by the court concerned, that parole granted to a person by order passed by a court exercising the criminal jurisdiction and limited by time frame specifying an expiry date from now up to 30th June 2021 shall stand extended till 30th of June 2021, subject to the condition specified in point number 1, that unless there is necessity of arrest for maintenance of law and order or any other emergent case in a cognizable offense prescribing sentence up to 7 years imprisonment, the police shall desist from arresting the accused up to 30th of June 2021 without complying with the provision of section 41A CRPC. This, however, may not be understood as an interdict on the power of the police to arrest, but should only be considered a mere advisory in the fore of the ongoing crisis following second wave of coronavirus. The state governments, Union Territory, Chandigarh, or any of its departments, or any municipal corporation, council, board, or any gram panchayat, or any other local body, or any other agency and instrumentality of the state shall not take any action for eviction and demolition in respect of any property over which any citizen or person or party or any body corporate has physical or symbolic possession as on today till 30th June 2021, that it is further directed that any bank of financial institution shall not take action for auction in respect of any property of any citizen or person or party or any body corporate till 30th June 2021. Stop.